Welcome to Deosai National Park. Explore the vast, untouched wilderness. Rolling hills and lush meadows. Witness the stunning natural landscapes. Home to Himalayan brown bears. The second highest plateau in the world. Soaring above the roof of the world. Endless horizons and crystal clear lakes. Spot rare creatures in their natural habitat. The serene charm of Deosai. Experience the magic of Deosai National Park. The Deosai National Park is located in western Himalayas in Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. It has an average elevation of 4,114 meters 13,497 feet above sea level, making the Deosai Plains the second highest plateau in the world after Chongtang Tibetan Plateau.